1932 Ford Roadster parade car. Price, for $1,000. Location, Pekin, Illinois. Offering vintage charm in a compact and crowd-pleasing package, the 1932 Ford Roadster parade car is a unique Shriner-style miniature roadster designed for parades, shows, community events, and collectors alike. Finished in classic roadster fashion, it has recently received numerous upgrades to keep it looking sharp and operating reliably. Fresh improvements include new upholstery, carpeting, steering wheel, headlights, taillights, wiring harness, solenoid, ignition switch, battery, carburetor, choke cable, and running board tread, making it a true turnkey attraction ready for immediate enjoyment. Built to capture the spirit of the legendary 1932 Ford Roadster in a smaller parade-sized form, it delivers nostalgic appeal and guaranteed attention wherever it appears. Dune buggy street legal. Price, $5,500. Location, Lowell, Arkansas. Delivering open-air excitement and lightweight performance, this street-legal dune buggy is a fun-filled custom rail buggy built for cruising, weekend adventures, and turning heads wherever it goes. Powered by a 1967 Chevrolet Corvair 140-horsepower air-cooled engine paired with its matching transmission, it offers a unique driving experience with quick acceleration and plenty of character. Owned by the same enthusiast for nearly 2 decades, the buggy has been enjoyed primarily on the street and has never been used off-road, helping preserve its overall condition. Recent updates include new front tires, with a set of replacement rear tires included and ready for installation, along with a larger fuel tank planned for added driving range. While the carburetor could benefit from minor tuning, and the brakes may need adjustment for optimal performance, it remains a strong-running, street-ready machine with a clean title in hand. 1955 Volkswagen Beetle Street. Price, $50,000. Mileage, 999,999 miles. Location, Kodak, Tennessee. Defying expectations and transforming the iconic Volkswagen Beetle into a serious street and strip weapon. This 1955 Volkswagen Beetle is a professionally built turbocharged race car that combines classic German styling with astonishing modern performance. Finished in red with a black interior, it retains the unmistakable silhouette of the legendary Beetle while hiding an Extreme Paradise Motorsports powder fuel-injected turbo engine underneath. Producing an impressive 660 horsepower at 28 psi of boost and an incredible 796 horsepower at 40 psi, the power plant delivers supercar-level acceleration in a lightweight package. A high-performance Mandela transmission, Rancho CV components, and a swing axle setup help transfer power efficiently while maintaining durability under heavy boost. 1964 milligrams Midget. Price, $6,500. Mileage, 80,437 miles. Location, Anoka, Minnesota. Combining classic British Roadster charm with extensive mechanical upgrades, the 1964 milligrams Midget is a lightweight sports car that delivers an engaging driving experience and impressive reliability for its age. Finished in white with a rich burgundy interior, it captures the timeless appeal that has made these compact roadsters favorites among enthusiasts for decades. Power comes from a freshly rebuilt engine featuring a fast road performance camshaft, reground crankshaft, electronic ignition system, upgraded valve train components, new oil pump, and numerous other internal improvements designed to enhance durability and responsiveness. A Weber carburetor and intake manifold conversion provide improved performance and drivability, while a new fuel pump and regulator ensure consistent fuel delivery. 1923 Ford T-Bucket. Price, $24,000. Location, Cedar Hill, Tennessee. Showcasing the pure spirit of traditional American hot rodding, the 1923 Ford T-Bucket is a custom-built street machine that combines lightweight construction with massive big block power. Finished in sleek black with a matching black interior, it features a widened and lengthened fiberglass body that gives it a unique stance and a more substantial road presence than a standard T-Bucket. Power comes from a formidable Chevrolet 468 cubic inch big block V8, delivering the kind of torque and acceleration that make these classic hot rods so exciting to drive. A durable Ford 9-inch rear end helps put the power to the pavement while providing proven strength and reliability. Built to be both a showstopper and a driver, this T-Bucket has earned numerous awards at car shows and consistently attracts attention wherever it appears. 1982 Jeep CJ5. Price, $19,900. Mileage, 71,913 miles. Location, Wind Gap, Pennsylvania. Blending legendary Jeep off-road heritage with classic American V8 muscle. The 1982 Jeep CJ5 is a beautifully restored custom build designed to stand out both on the trail and at local car shows. Finished in vibrant blue with a matching custom blue interior, it features the iconic short wheelbase CJ styling that has made these Jeeps highly sought after by enthusiasts. Power comes from a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch crate V8 equipped with a Holley 600 CFM carburetor, delivering strong torque, impressive throttle response, and a deep exhaust note through custom headers and side exit exhaust. A 4-speed manual transmission provides a hands-on driving experience, while the 6-inch lift kit and massive 35 by 12.50 Mickey Thompson Baja radial tires give it an aggressive stance and enhanced off-road capability. Yamaha fuel-injected gas golf cart. Price, $6,500. Location: Matthews, North Carolina. Turning a standard golf cart into a miniature exotic-style cruiser. This Yamaha fuel-injected gas golf cart features an eye-catching custom orange Corvette-inspired body kit that gives it a sporty and aggressive appearance unlike anything else on the course or around the neighborhood. Finished with a freshly installed custom body package, it has been recently built and showcases a like-new presentation from top to bottom. Power comes from Yamaha's reliable fuel-injected gas engine, providing dependable performance, easy starting, and efficient operation without the maintenance concerns often associated with older carbureted setups. Designed for both fun and attention-grabbing style, the sleek Corvette-inspired bodywork transforms the cart into a unique custom vehicle that stands out wherever it goes. 1957 Volkswagen Beetle ragtop. Price: $14,500. Mileage: 123,456 miles. Location: Terre Haute, Indiana. Showcasing classic European Volkswagen heritage with a custom hot rod twist, the 1957 Volkswagen Beetle ragtop chopped oval is a highly distinctive build that blends vintage character, craftsmanship, and everyday drivability. Finished in black with a brown interior, this rare European spec Beetle features a chopped roofline, iconic oval rear window, working semaphores, and a canvas ragtop that enhance its unmistakable custom appearance. Built by noted Volkswagen builder Adam Kottke, it stands apart from ordinary Beetles with its rust-free body, professionally replaced floor pans and heater channels, and hand-applied pinstriping that adds personality and old-school charm. Power comes from a dependable 1,600 cubic centimeters dual-port air-cooled engine paired with a 1968 Volkswagen transaxle, providing smooth shifting and reliable performance for cruising and weekend enjoyment. 1973 Fiat 124 Spider convertible. Price: $22,000. Mileage: 31,500 miles. Location: Cranberry Township, Pennsylvania. Combining timeless Italian styling with extensive mechanical and cosmetic upgrades, the 1973 Fiat 124 Spider convertible is a beautifully maintained classic roadster built for spirited driving and open-air enjoyment. Finished in a striking coral orange exterior with a black interior, it captures the elegant lines and sporty character that made the Fiat Spider a favorite among European sports car enthusiasts. Power comes from Fiat's lively inline-4 engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission, delivering an engaging and responsive driving experience.